Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're walking you through a quick and easy method to activate your Wells Fargo credit card online without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. Activating your Wells Fargo credit card online has never been easier, and today I'll guide you step by step through the entire process so you can start using your card immediately without any confusion or delay. First things first, make sure you have your new Wells Fargo credit card and your personal information handy, including your social security number or tax identification number, your date of birth, and your billing address. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Wells Fargo website. Look for the credit card section or simply type in the activation link wellsfargo.com activate into the address bar. Once you're on the activation page, click on the option to activate your card online. You'll be asked to enter your credit card number exactly as it appears on the card, along with the expiration date and the 3-digit security code usually found on the back of the card. Next, enter your personal details to verify your identity, including your name, as it appears on the card, your date of birth, and either your social security number or the last 4 digits of it. After inputting all the required information, double-check for accuracy, then submit the form. In a few moments, Wells Fargo will confirm your card activation, and you'll receive a notification on the screen. This means your card is ready to be used for purchases and online transactions securely. If you encounter any issues during the process, you can always contact Wells Fargo customer service using the phone number provided on the activation page or on the back of your credit card. The customer support team is available to assist with any questions or concerns, so don't hesitate to reach out. And remember, for your security, never share your card details or personal information with unauthorized sources. By following these simple, clear steps, activating your Wells Fargo credit card online becomes a seamless experience, allowing you to focus on managing your finances with ease. Stay confident knowing your card is ready whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more useful financial tips and guides.